How well do you think your colleagues understand where your organization is heading? And how well do you know what drives their ambition? Welcome to the Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. Not so long ago, I assigned one of my senior managers the task of taking our own medicine and running generative interviews and a foundation workshop within our firm as we wrestled with how best to take our organization to the next level. While the detail of the content is not relevant, what was remarkable for me as CEO was to come to understand just how much difference of opinion and level of anxiety existed around what we were about to embark on. My firm is a boutique outfit specializing in anything and everything to do with the management of work. We don't span continents, nor do we have massive and different strategic business units. We'd make a point of all being in the same room, physically if at all possible, but electronically if not, at least once a fortnight. Thus it came as quite a surprise, not only to me, but to all the participants, to find such divergent perspectives around what we're planning to change and what it would look like once it was done. How much then, I told my team, do we need to use this process to make ourselves aware of the impact of what we do when engaging with our clients? We need to challenge the assumption that our clients see what we see before we take the trouble to first come to know the world through their eyes. This discovery made the more general point that anyone charged with running an intervention in a system should take the time to listen deeply and see the world as it is, not how you'd like it to be. My course for systems thinkers explores how to use the principles of deep listening to deliver consistently high performance results. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link on the comments below.